If a speech is disorganized and hard to follow, the speaker's credibility will suffer, and an audience will lose its motivation to listen. By presenting ideas in an organized and thoughtful manner, speakers' ideas are clearer. In the informative speech, for example, it is not just enough to tell an audience about a topic, it is necessary that they understand what you are telling them. Well-organized speeches improve understanding. The process of organizing and outlining your speech is arrangement, the second classical canon of rhetoric. The first being invention research, the third style, and the fourth and fifth memory and delivery. Arrangement involves drawing on common patterns that provide ready-at-hand structures for quickly plotting material. The actual plotting of ideas into a hierarchical script is called outlining, as you have already learned. Arrangement concerns the strategic ordering of speech content. It encompasses the ordering of work itself, introduction, body, and conclusion, and the organization of main and supporting points. This segment covers specific strategies to help improve introductions and conclusions. It revisits some patterns of arrangement already introduced, and it introduces some patterns of arrangement useful in persuasive speaking. In addition to organizing ideas at the document level, arrangement also includes the ordering of information at the sentence level, such as the decision to number ideas in lists. Arrangement and word repetition can amplify thoughts or induce emotion. For example, George Bush used amplification and repetition to reassert his authority as president and to reinforce his support for Donald Rumsfeld in 2006. The idea of effective arrangement has been around for a long time. The most notable experts on the topic of arrangement were Cicero and Quintilian. For them, arrangement consisted of 6 parts, each with a specific rhetorical appeal. In the introduction, according to Cicero, the speaker establishes his or her authority and credibility, appeal, ethos. In the body of the speech, the speaker articulates ideas, facts, proofs, and addresses refutations, appeal, logos. And in the conclusion, the speaker draws on audience emotion to drive home the point, appeal, pathos. Do note, however, drawing on each appeal at every level of the speech will make the argument more convincing to an audience. Now that you know what arrangement is, let's focus on the main concepts of arrangement so as to improve your efficiency and effectiveness at every step of the speech writing process, from outline to delivery.